We have finished till what makes India a federal country in our previous class. On Monday, we studied what makes India a federal country or what are the constitutional provisions which establish India as a federal country. Today, we are proceeding. If you have book, then take the page number 17. Page number 17, third paragraph. And today we will finish this page, third paragraph. We noted above that most federations that are holding together do not give equal power to its constituent units. Underline it. As I taught you in the YouTube class, differences between coming together and holding together. In coming together federations, all states have equal powers. In holding together federations like India, all states have equal power, but there are some exceptions. So, this paragraph will detail you about this exception. All states in the Indian Union do not have identical powers. Some of the states have been granted special powers. Some states enjoy a special status. Example, Jammu and Kashmir has its own constitution. Many provisions of the Indian Constitution are not applicable to this state without the approval of the State Assembly. Indians who are not permanent residents of this state cannot buy land or house here. Similar special provisions exist for some other states of India as well. So, note down the question, everybody. Note down the question. Most federations that are formed by holding together do not give equal power to its constituent units. Do not give equal power to its constituent units. Explain this statement. Explain this statement. Once again, most federations that are formed by holding together do not give equal power to its constituent units. Explain this statement. The answer will be here, page number 17, the third paragraph. Now, next topic is union territories. You know, in India there were 7 union territories, but including Ladakh and Jammu, there are 9 union territories. Jammu, Ladakh, Chandigarh, Delhi, Pol.Sc, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. What are the union territories? There are some units of the Indian Union which enjoy very little power. These are areas which are too small to become an independent state, but which could not be merged with any of the existing states. कुछ एरियाज ऐसे थे जो इतने छोटे थे कि जिन्हें इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट नहीं बनाया जा सकता था और ना ही किसी स्टेट में मर्ज किया जा सकता था. They were called union territories. Why it's called union territories? Because many of the powers are in the hands of the central government to run and administer these union territories. These areas like Chandigarh or Lakshadweep or the capital city of Delhi are called union territories. These territories do not have the powers of a state. Yes, Bihar and Delhi are not the same. They do not have the identical power. Bihar is a complete state, but Delhi is not the complete state. Though there is a post of chief minister, there is a provision of legislative assembly. The central government has special powers in running these areas. Note down the question. What are union territories? What are union territories? Next, how this arrangement, division of power between central and state, how this arrangement can be changed? Is it possible to change? Let's see. This sharing of power between the union government and the state government is basic to the structure of the constitution. It is fundamental. ये न्यू है संविधान का, इसे चेंज करना बहुत आसान नहीं है. It is not easy to make changes to this power sharing arrangement. But the question is that, is it possible to change? Yes, it is possible to change, but it's difficult. Now I will tell you how it can be changed. The parliament cannot on its own change this arrangement. अकेले पार्लियामेंट इसे चेंज नहीं कर सकती है. इस प्रकार के चेंजेस लाने के लिए पहले पार्लियामेंट के दोनों हाउस, लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में 2/3 मेजॉरिटी से पास होना है. उसके बाद जितने स्टेट असेंबलीज हैं, जितने स्टेट्स हैं, आधे से ज़्यादा स्टेट में इसे पास होना है. एनी चेंज टू इट हैज़ टू बी फर्स्ट पास्ड बाय बोथ द हाउसेस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट विथ एट लीस्ट 2/3 majority, that is 66% of the total strength of the house, both the houses. Then it has to be ratified. Ratified means confirmed by the legislatures, by the Vidhan Sabha of at least half of the total states. कम से कम आधे राज्यों की विधान सभाओं का अनुमोदन इस पर होना है. Now write the next question. How the power sharing arrangement, in India can be changed. How the power sharing arrangement in India can be changed. Now the last paragraph. Role of judiciary. What happens when there is conflict, when there is fight between the central government and its state government? Who comes to resolve? The judiciary, high courts and Supreme Court. Last paragraph, page number 17. The judiciary plays an important role in overseeing means supervision, the implementation of constitutional provisions and procedures. सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट को ये देखने का अधिकार है कि सरकार संविधान के दायरे में काम कर रही है या नहीं. इन केस ऑफ एनी डिस्प्यूट, यदि इस प्रकार का कोई विवाद होता है अबाउट द डिवीजन ऑफ पावर्स, द हाई कोर्ट्स एंड द सुप्रीम कोर्ट मेक अ डिसीजन. द यूनियन एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स हैव द पावर टू रेज रिसोर्सेज बाय लेविंग टैक्सेस इन ऑर्डर टू कैरी ऑन the government and the responsibilities assigned to each of them. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और यूनियन गवर्नमेंट दोनों को पावर है कि वो अपने हिसाब से टैक्स लगाए जनता पे ताकि सरकारी खर्च चल सके. नाउ राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड लास्ट. एक्सप्लेन द रोल ऑफ जुडिशरी. Explain the role of judiciary. So 3 questions we discussed in this virtual class. First one is, most federations that are formed by holding together do not give equal power to its constituent units. Explain this statement. Next, what are union territories? Next, how the power sharing arrangements in India can be changed. And the last, explain the role of judiciary. Thank you very much. We'll meet on Monday in our live class.